everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to share with you an amazing DIY recipe that your skin is going to absolutely love. It's a simple and all-natural homemade carrot cream. This cream is packed with skin-nourishing ingredients, and it's so easy to make right at home. So if you're someone who enjoys taking care of your skin the natural way, then you'll definitely want to stick around for this. Now let's get into how to actually make this carrot cream at home. First, we're going to take 2 carrots. Make sure they're fresh and clean. Peel the carrots to remove the outer skin, and then wash them thoroughly. After washing, wipe off all the water using a clean towel or cloth. It's important to make sure there's no moisture left, because that can affect the oil later on. Grate the carrots using a regular grater. Try to get them as fine as possible. Let's talk about why this carrot cream is so special. Carrots are loaded with vitamin C, and that's one of the most important vitamins for your skin. It plays a major role in supporting collagen production in the body. Collagen, as you probably know, is what keeps our skin looking firm, youthful, and glowing. Without enough of it, skin can start to sag and show signs of aging, so adding vitamin C to your routine can really make a difference. Carrots also contain beta-carotene, which is another powerful compound. Beta-carotene helps in repairing skin tissues and provides natural protection against the sun's harsh UV rays. So while you're using this cream, not only are you nourishing your skin, but you're also giving it an extra shield from environmental stress. Once you've finished grating, take all of the grated carrot and place it into a pan. Now for the oil, we're going to add 1 cup of coconut oil. This will act as our carrier oil. Coconut oil is incredibly hydrating and works beautifully with carrots' nutrients. But if coconut oil isn't your favorite, feel free to use another oil like almond oil or olive oil, anything that suits your skin type. Once the oil and grated carrots are in the pan, mix them together well. Stir until everything is nicely combined. Now turn on the heat, but keep it very low. We're going to let this cook gently. You don't want to rush this step. Just let the carrots slowly release their nutrients into the oil. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll start to see the oil turning a lovely golden orange color. That's a good sign. It means the carrots are infusing into the oil beautifully. After the cooking is done, turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. Give it time. This step is important, so we don't damage any of the ingredients that come next. Once it has cooled, strain the oil using a clean cloth. A muslin or cheesecloth works great for this. You'll be left with a clear, nutrient-rich carrot oil that smells amazing. Transfer this oil into a clean glass container and set it aside. Now we're going to make the cream. In a mixing bowl, take 4 tablespoons of the carrot oil we just made. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is incredibly soothing and hydrating. It helps with inflammation and calms the skin. Use either fresh aloe gel or a good quality store-bought one. Mix the oil and aloe vera together thoroughly, and I mean mix it really well. Take your time here. You'll see the mixture start to turn into a soft, creamy texture. Keep stirring until you get that smooth, creamy consistency. It should feel light and fluffy. Once the cream is ready, store it in a clean jar. Keep it in a cool place, or even in the fridge if you prefer a cooling effect when applying. So, how do you use this amazing carrot cream? First, always start by washing and cleaning your face. Make sure there's no dirt or oil. Then take a small amount of the cream and apply it gently all over your face, or even your body if you like. Use upward, circular motions and let your skin soak in all that natural goodness. For best results, apply it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Now let's talk a little bit more about what this cream actually does for your skin. It's rich in vitamin A, which is essential for skin cell regeneration. That means it helps to renew your skin, keeping it smooth and vibrant. It also contains antioxidants, which are super important. These antioxidants protect your skin against damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that lead to signs of aging, dullness, and dark spots. This cream also helps in maintaining a healthy, glowing complexion. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming clearer, softer, and more even-toned. It's great for treating blemishes and spots, and it can also brighten the skin gently without any harsh chemicals. Whether you're looking for something to lighten your skin, even it out, or just keep it deeply moisturized, this carrot cream does it all. So yes, it's a carrot cream for your face, for skin lightening, for skin brightening. It's really an all-in-one natural remedy that your skin will thank you for. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you give this DIY a try. It's so easy, and the results are truly beautiful. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let me know how it worked for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay naturally beautiful.